Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I just unboxed a brand new DJI Flip battery. So it's in such a box and it's with this plastic around it. So this is one that is closed. So here you see that on this plastic piece you see that it is locked. And then yes, it's a DJI drone and it's an intelligent flight battery for the DJI Flip drone. So I bought this via the website and it was packed inside this plastic inside this box. So the first time that you use such battery you have to fully charge it, yeah, and then you can use it, but always first charge it, never use it directly, always charge it completely, and then after that you can use it, but not before. Otherwise your battery will last longer and last much less in its lifespan. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because you can win nice prizes like computers, laptops, Bluetooth stuff, all kind of stuff. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like it, because if you like that you will get more from these videos. Bye bye.